only pull.
Yeah, plug system. So you have to change this one. Just change. So this one is a 18T. So if you want to upgrade to 36 or 54.
Yes.
Yeah. And the same, you will two spring.
And then there will be the
grease as well. The grease, you have to put a grease. The grease is very special grease. And the spring, I have two spring. Okay, one is a rotor side, one is a hot body side. So put in.
Okay.
Yeah. So you just make sure this one and this one, the flat surface. Yeah, another one. That's it. Oh, sorry. I have this washer.
It's like a bushing.
Yeah, bushing.
At the center of the ratchet.
Yeah. Maybe it can go in. Okay. So.
Okay.